Welcome to the fascinating world of woodworking, where creativity meets craftsmanship. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone looking to refine your skills, this journey offers endless possibilities for self-expression and skill development. Woodworking allows you to transform raw materials into beautiful and functional pieces, all while promoting sustainability by utilizing leftover, reclaimed, or scrap wood. This practice not only reduces waste, but also fosters a deeper appreciation for the materials we often overlook. As you embark on this adventure, you will discover the joy of creating something unique with your own hands, all while connecting with nature and the environment. In this video, we will explore a variety of quick and simple woodworking projects designed specifically for novice crafters. These projects are not only accessible, but also provide a solid foundation for honing your skills. From crafting functional items for your home to creating decorative pieces for local businesses, woodworking opens up a world of opportunities. As you delve into these projects, you will gain confidence and experience, enabling you to tackle more complex designs over time. Join us as we inspire creativity, promote sustainability, and celebrate the beauty of handcrafted woodwork. If you're enjoying the journey into woodworking and want to keep up with our latest projects and tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us bring you more creative content. Don't forget to like this video and share it with fellow crafting enthusiasts who might also find inspiration in our woodworking adventures. We encourage you to stay with us until the end of the video, where we'll reveal some exciting bonus tips and tricks that can elevate your woodworking skills even further. Together, let's build a community of passionate crafters who share a love for creating beautiful, sustainable pieces. Woodworking is an enriching craft that offers beginners an opportunity to explore their creativity while utilizing leftover, reclaimed, or scrap wood. This practice not only fosters skill development, but also contributes to sustainability, making it an ideal starting point for novice crafters. Embracing leftover materials allows individuals to minimize waste and engage in environmentally friendly practices, which is increasingly important in today's world. For those new to woodworking, reclaimed wood is a fantastic resource. It often comes from old furniture, pallets, or buildings, offering unique textures and character. Beginners can find these materials easily and at low cost, making them accessible for anyone eager to start crafting. The journey of transforming discarded wood into beautiful projects can be incredibly rewarding, instilling a sense of pride in the creative process. In recreational areas, simple woodworking projects can greatly enhance the user experience. For instance, crafting benches or picnic tables from reclaimed wood can provide seating for families and friends to gather. Such projects are straightforward and can often be completed within a weekend, allowing beginners to see the fruits of their labor quickly. This not only boosts confidence, but also encourages more individuals to take up woodworking. Hotels and restaurants can also benefit from unique wood projects that reflect their brand identity. Simple items like signage, menu boards, or decorative shelves can be crafted from scrap wood. By integrating these handmade elements into their decor, establishments create a warm and inviting atmosphere that attracts customers. These projects not only serve practical functions, but also enhance the overall aesthetic, making the space more memorable. The marketing potential of handmade wooden items is significant. Businesses that utilize locally crafted wood projects can differentiate themselves in a competitive market. Highlighting the use of reclaimed materials resonates with eco-conscious consumers, creating a unique selling proposition. This connection to sustainability can enhance brand loyalty, leading to increased profits for establishments that embrace these practices. The process of designing and creating wood projects offers invaluable lessons in craftsmanship and design thinking. Beginners can start with simple, manageable projects to build their skills gradually. As they become more confident, they can experiment with different styles and techniques, allowing for personal expression in their work. This progression is essential for developing a unique woodworking style that reflects individual creativity. Collaborative projects can also provide excellent opportunities for beginners to gain real-world experience. For example, a coffee house may partner with novice woodworkers to create custom furniture or decor items. This collaboration not only benefits the business, but also gives beginners a platform to showcase their work. The sense of community fostered by such partnerships can be incredibly rewarding, encouraging more individuals to engage in woodworking. Ultimately, woodworking offers a versatile platform for beginners to explore their creativity while promoting sustainability. Utilizing leftover, reclaimed, or scrap wood allows new crafters to minimize waste and create unique items for various settings. As they hone their skills through simple projects, beginners can contribute to environmental efforts and enhance local businesses. The rewarding journey of crafting with wood not only enriches their lives, but also fosters a sense of community and purpose. In addition to enhancing local businesses and recreational spaces, woodworking projects offer personal benefits to beginners. Crafting with wood can be a therapeutic activity, providing an outlet for stress relief and creative expression. The tactile nature of working with wood allows individuals to connect with their materials, fostering mindfulness and presence in the moment. This meditative quality of woodworking can be a significant draw for many new crafters. As individuals progress in their woodworking journey, they may discover the joy of teaching others. Sharing skills and knowledge with fellow beginners can create a supportive community where everyone learns from one another. Workshops and group projects can foster camaraderie and inspire creativity, allowing individuals to collaborate on larger, more ambitious projects. This sense of belonging can be incredibly motivating for those new to the craft. Furthermore, simple woodworking projects can serve as gifts that carry personal significance. Handmade items made from reclaimed wood could be treasured gifts for friends and family, showcasing the effort and artistry involved. This personal touch adds value to the items created, making them more meaningful than store-bought alternatives. The act of gifting handmade pieces can deepen connections with loved ones and spread the joy of craftsmanship. Thank you for watching our video. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you found the content helpful and inspiring, please consider liking the video and sharing it with others who might enjoy it as well. Your engagement helps us reach more people and fosters a vibrant community of woodworking enthusiasts. We love hearing your thoughts and experiences, so feel free to leave a comment below. Let's keep the conversation going. We look forward to bringing you more exciting projects and tips in the future, and we can't wait to see what you create on your own woodworking journey.